This is our second Data Science Leadership Forum that we're holding, and now we're in beautiful Singapore. And this is where the intelligent edge comes into play, where you take that algorithm that you've built in that model, you place it at those edge appliances, combine it with data that you need at the spot, and based on that, you actually make the intelligent decision.
That's why we're looking at how we can leverage Iguazio to work on that front. An example would be to improve our ETA. It becomes really important for us to capture the metrics back. So we track metrics, specific metrics on how's the user experience when we're running those experiments. We're working with Iguazio to improve that part where we can have a full cycle where we collect data from the production systems, churn the data, come up with the insights, and feed it back into the system so that we can take actions right on time before it's too late.
Grab is a classic case because their sources are spread all over the place, and then they come into us. We provide the right platform, and then on top of it, Iguazio gets the right sets of tools out to you or out to the customer to make a difference. Data not being analyzed is a cost center, but data being analyzed is a revenue center, because there's so many insights, there's so many trends you miss out if you just don't take the extra step to see what is my data actually telling me.
Just to be very mindful that the raw information you collect and then you put them all together into a data set, the value of information gets higher. So what looks like a raw set of data becomes a data set, and if you process on it, the outcome of the data set on the algorithms becomes insight and intelligence.
We're finding that's where data science comes in. It's about integrating your computers, computer science, your technology, which is the front end, your domain expert who knows the business and makes sure that there's actionable insights, as well as your statistician who has to bring in the machine learning and the statistical techniques into that one problem.
On the Iguazio side, when we founded the company 3 years ago, we saw that one of the biggest issues is around secure data sharing. Messy operational problem. Usually they would store everything in one place, including all the sensitive data. But then in order to share it with the other business units, and sometimes it's a manual process, in Iguazio we actually have a capability that is called secure data sharing that allows you to actually do anonymization on the fly based on policies that you have programmed into the platform. You basically say, okay, this set of users from this particular geography can see only those particular fields in this data set, and that will happen on the fly, and that is allowing access in real time to the actual data and not a copy of the data that was cleansed and was made accessible only 2 weeks after the fact, that in many cases is irrelevant.